Getting started on Roobet is easy, especially when you use the right bonus code. If you've created an account under someone else's code, don't worry. Just reach out to live support and they'll apply the LEPAJEE code to your account so you can enjoy all the benefits. Make sure to check our site, rubyrewards.com, for leaderboard and more rewards.
600. Wait, we can do even bigger. Look, 1K, but it's a risky one. Don't fucking scam me, bro. Drop a bonus symbol. Come on. Yes, yes, we got it, dude. Holy crap. Oh my god. Come on now, bro. Holy shit. Bro, if we get a nice multi on this bet size, that could be fucking insane win. We just need connections now. Early connections build a multi, bro. That's fucking crazy. That's fucking crazy, dude. 4. My god. Bro, just don't waste the spins like that. Don't waste spins like that. Hey, you missed this connection. Oh my god. No. Okay. No. Oh, okay. Brian. Oh, dude. Fuck. Come on. Bro. He needs to keep hitting. Okay, it's gonna hit here. 32. Can we connect greens or I don't know. Oh my god, bro. Look at that. Come on, my friend. Bro, you missed that? Lamau. Bro, 128. Okay. Just one good connection now, guys. Just one good connection. Last spin. Yo, saved us. Hey, that's good. That's fucking good. Bro, 6K. Oh my god, that's fucking good payout, bro. Let's go, bro.